Hey guys, it's Tony. Today I'm thrilled to review the GE Profile 24-inch stainless steel built-in dishwasher. I had the privilege of using this dishwasher during my recent stay at a Florida vacation home, and I've got to say, it was a game changer. First, the design is sleek and modern, fitting seamlessly into the contemporary kitchen of the Florida home. But what truly impressed me is its performance. The feature that won me over completely is the bottle wash jets. These powerful jets specifically target hard-to-reach spots inside bottles and containers, ensuring they come out sparkling clean. This dishwasher's ability to handle even the toughest, stuck-on food residues was remarkable. Plus, it operates quietly, so it doesn't disrupt your peace and quiet at home. It's also energy efficient, which is fantastic for both your utility bills and the environment. If you're in the market for a top-notch dishwasher that combines style, efficiency, and convenience, I wholeheartedly recommend this GE Profile dishwasher. It elevated my vacation home experience by making cleanup a breeze.